Today we have a 1989 Aston Martin V8 Volante. It is extremely well known to us. It is in excellent condition throughout, fully serviced. Then we're going to take it for a ride, and I hope you enjoy it on the video. Hi all, today is a little bit different because we have our 1989 Aston V8 Volante and special ordered Jaguar Antelope, which is much like a pewter color. We already have it out, it's warmed up, it's a beautiful day, and we decided to use the car to run an errand, basically get a nice coffee. So, which it did really well, and very well. And if we want, we can turn on the AC, which is lovely, but it's really not that warm today. And what can I tell you? It's fully serviced. It is lovely throughout. It is the last year of manufacture in the United States for sure. There are a couple of 1990s in Europe. And it's had 26,000 miles from new. It has been serviced with us, converted to European bumpers, European exhaust. It's turnkey. It's one of the nicest ones we've had over the years. And it's been sold and serviced by us in the past and has just come back in towards hopefully another car from our inventory shortly. But that is still undecided. So we're gonna take it down the road back to the homestead and show you how great she is, how wonderful she handles. The suspension's been gone through, the brakes have been gone through, the engine's been serviced, all within the last, I don't know, 400 miles. So we're gonna take it and find some curvaceous roads, cruise around a little bit, do our flybys. Well, due to an accident on one of our main thoroughfares, we have been sitting in traffic now for 15-20 minutes and moving very slowly. So we can attest to the temperatures being absolutely exceptional. Let's see. Let's try the horn. Town and Country, working. As a later V8, it has a tilt steering wheel. The radio is working. All the switchgear is fresh. The veneer has been redone. It is about as turnkey as you'll get. What a lovely day to just sit here. Although I think we're going to go right through a parking lot to the other side. Oh, see, look at that. And now we're going to get on the road. So as you can see, it is very docile around town. You run errands. They're extremely usable. This one happens to be one of the finest ones we've had over the years. It was collector owned, cared for from its inception. Its original delivery to, I believe this was delivered to Palm Beach Motor Cars. Not much else we could tell you other than, look, Ma, no hands. It tracks well, it brakes well. It's really nice. So if you're in the market for a late fuel-injected, Weber Marelli-injected V8 Volante, you should look no further because this is a rare car given its color. You will not find another one since this was special ordered. We're going to turn up here and get on in a little bit. Doesn't feel heavy, just feels muscular and turns exceptionally well. It is a muscle car convertible with English luxury. What you see is what you get. We're going to do our flybys in a couple seconds. Then we'll get on the farm road, show you a bit of its power in a straight line, and then bring it back to the homestead. And I think we will stop here. Great brakes. As usual, hope you enjoyed the flybys. There has been a lot of traffic today. This car is extremely versatile. Here's another one of a bygone era, but still has a hell of a lot of modern amenities and actually works extremely well. They have irritated me from time to time, but they have never stranded me. I actually enjoy these with the 3-speed automatic. It's got plenty of torque. It's a great cruiser, but when you want to get on it, it will go quite well. Maybe I got older and I've enjoyed the automatics that much more. It also gives you a chance to swat the kids in the back seat. You could, like, you know, we've done this in the past, but hey, enough. Don't ask me again when we're going to get there. I can't hear you! Usually we have a little radio rather than static, but I get you get the gist. It is a family convertible as well. Well, here's the final leg of the road test. Onward on the farm road. We will stand on it and show you a little bit of its power in a second. Okay, here's the quick burst. So she's quite happy cruising and she's got plenty of power. I hope you've enjoyed this road test. The car is essentially turnkey. It has had an enormous amount of money spent on it through previous ownerships, and is here for the taking. So we welcome any questions you may have, and hope you enjoyed this road test on this wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.